Hello students. So last day we discuss about the reproductive phase and we also discuss that how can it determines the sex of the baby. So today we discuss about some hormones other than the sex hormones. Apart from the sex hormones, our body also produces several other hormones from the endocrine system. The secretion of all these hormones are controlled by the pituitary gland or master gland. That's why this pituitary gland called master gland. Why? Because it controls the secretion of all hormones. So let us understand about the different endocrine glands, the hormones they produce and their functions. So first one is thyroid glands. It is present in the thyroid region and produces a hormone called thyroxine, which regulates the utilization of proteins, fats and carbohydrates in our body. This hormone requires iodine for its formation. Lack of iodine leads to the swelling of this gland. This condition is called goiter. So the deficiency of thyroxine hormone causes a disease known as goiter. The main symptoms of goiter disease is that the neck of the person suffering from goiter appears to be swollen. That's why people are advised to use iodized salt for cooking food so as to prevent the goiter disease, because iodized salt is the common source of iodine. Next one is pancreas. It produces insulin hormone, which is responsible for maintaining blood sugar level in our body. If insulin is secreted in less amount, the blood sugar level increases. This condition is known as diabetes. So, a diabetic person are advised by doctor to take less sugar in their diet. Next one is adrenal gland. Adrenal glands are present just above the kidneys. One of the hormones produced by this gland is adrenaline, which is also called emergency hormone, because it prepares us to face stressful situation. When we are faced with a dangerous situation, then the adrenal glands secrete more adrenaline hormones into our body. This adrenaline hormones speeds up the heartbeat, increases breathing rate, rises blood pressure, and causes liver to release more stored glucose into the blood. All these actions of adrenaline hormone produces a lot of energy in our body very quickly. That's why these hormones are called emergency hormone. And the next one is pituitary gland. It secretes a hormone called the growth hormone, which regulates the growth of our body, specifically the bones. Overdose secretion of this hormone causes an exceptional increase in the length of a person. A condition is called gigantism. Under secretion of this hormone causes an abnormally short structure, a condition called dwarfism. Pituitary gland is the most important endocrine gland in the body, and pituitary gland is called master gland because many of the hormones which it secretes control the functioning of other endocrine glands in the body. For example, pituitary gland secretes hormones that make other endocrine glands such as testes, ovaries, thyroid glands and adrenal gland to secrete their hormones. So hormones also play important role in the lives of other organisms. For example, metamorphosis, the process through which tadpoles turn into frogs, take place only in the presence of the hormone thyroxine. Since the secretion of this hormone requires sufficient amount of iodine, so tadpoles need to live in salt water. If the water in which tadpoles are present is not salty, they are not mature into frog. Insects such as ants also secrete some hormones called pheromones. Pheromones help these insects to attract more of their kind and to raise alarm during some unusual situation.
So these are some other hormones which helps in growth for human body. So for today it is enough. Thank you.